Craft your imagination.
Here's how to make a cute paper flower bouquet. You'll need a paper cup, colored papers, scissors, a glue stick, pencils, and a ruler. Take a sheet of A4 sized green paper and fold it in half vertically. Using a pencil and ruler, draw a line 1 centimeter from the open edge. Draw evenly spaced lines starting from the folded edge that connect to the line you just drew 1 centimeter away from the open edge. Cut along these lines, being careful not to cross the 1 centimeter line from the open edge. Unfold the paper and apply glue slightly away from the edge. Fold the paper again, sticking the upper edge slightly above the lower edge. Twist and roll the paper piece, gluing it at the end to secure it. Take a colorful paper cup and place the rolled green piece inside. Create small colorful flowers by drawing them and then cutting them out. Glue the flowers onto the green leaves one by one until the leaves are covered in flowers. Your cute paper flower bouquet is ready. Happy playing!